Hey guys, welcome back to SpiralTag. This is Dinesh again. So today we're going to be discussing about this finding trending topics on the internet. So this is not Google Trends. Okay, we're going to be using another tool. Let me uh, type on Google. Okay. Okay, this site is called Exploring Topics. So here you can discover exploring topics as you see here. So it is based on two things. Okay, it's based on time and based on some categories. Okay, so let me find something trending for 1 year. You can change whatever you want. I'm just selecting 1 year. Okay, let me change the categories because it is messed up with all the categories. Okay, so let me change this to startup. So as you see, these are the trending topics that is going on in startups industry. So these are hidden for pro members. Okay, if you want you can buy it, or else you can leave it out. Let me change this category. Okay, so let me scroll down. You can see there are a lot of things going on. Creator economy, other lot of things. Okay, so you can change whatever topic you want to find trends on. So if you want about technology trends, you see YouTube shorts. Okay, it's going trending right now. Lot of people are watching, and it is gonna be peak. Okay, so let's see, like this one is peak. Okay, so you can select one to use it for your content idea or some startup or something. So you can create basically you can create some ideas with this information. Okay, if you are doing any market research or some gathering ideas over the internet, on this tool may be helpful. Okay, let me change this to marketing. So link building is trending, and Facebook marketplaces are also trending. So there are a lot of things. Okay, AI content, clickbait. Okay, clickbait, AI, SEO cooperating is exploding. Okay, SEO with cooperating with SEO. Okay, these are the things that is. I think it's under digital marketing. I think. Okay, it's not just marketing; it's digital marketing. So there are a lot of things you can find out with this tool. So play with it, and thanks for watching.